Making money with Google AdSense involves several steps. Create a website or blog. To use Google AdSense, you first need to have a platform where you can display ads. This can be a website, blog, or YouTube channel. It's essential to create content that complies with AdSense policies and is also appealing to visitors. Sign up for AdSense. After your website or blog is set up, sign up for an AdSense account. You will need to provide information about your website, personal information to verify your identity, and payment information to receive payments. Get approved. Google will review your application for AdSense to ensure your website complies with their policies. This process can take a few days to a few weeks. Set up ads on your site. Once approved, you can log into your AdSense account and get your ad code. This is a piece of HTML code that you put on your site where you want ads to appear. The ads that are displayed will be chosen by Google's algorithm based on the content of your website and the interests of your visitors. Generate traffic. The more people who visit your site and view or click on the ads, the more money you will make. So, it's important to create engaging content and promote your site to attract visitors. SEO, search engine optimization, and social media marketing can be particularly useful for driving traffic. Analyze and optimize. Use Google Analytics to understand your audience and how they interact with your website. This can help you optimize your content and ad placement to increase your AdSense earnings. Experiment with the type, size, and placement of ads to see what works best for your site. Get paid. Google pays you on a monthly basis. Once your balance reaches $100, Google will send you a payment. You can receive payments through checks, electronic funds transfer, wire transfer, or Western Union. Remember to always comply with AdSense's terms of service to avoid getting banned, and, also, it's important to note that while AdSense can be a way to earn income, it usually requires a lot of traffic to make substantial money. It's often used as a supplementary income source alongside other monetization strategies.